Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Let's take a look at the Falling For You stamp and die set, another cute gnome stamp set in the collection at Trinity Stamps. There are 5 stamps in this set and a coordinating die set to cut them out. It's from the Sending Smooches release. Here's a closer look at both products. You can see there are 5 images here, one with the gnome falling into a pile of hearts, 3 coordinating hearts, and a sentiment. There's also a die to cut out all 5 of these images. They are connected together with metal tabs that need to be snipped apart with metal snips. If you don't have metal snips, you can bend them apart at the tabs. Once your dies are all cut out and ready to go, you're ready to start stamping and creating. Let's take a closer look at this stamp set. We're going to stamp it out on white paper with black ink to see all the cute images in this set. Now, these 5 images alone can create a very cute 1-layer card, which you'll see at the end of this video along with several other samples of this cute stamp set. There they are. And now let's take a look at these images colored and die cut out. And here's some samples created by the Trinity Stamps design team with this Falling For You stamp and die set. There are several other gnomes in this release that are Valentine's themed and adorable for any occasion. You can find them on the Trinity Stamps website. And that's a look at the Falling For You stamp and die set from Trinity Stamps. Thanks for stopping by.